Please be an official supporter of Sushi-chan Japanese School. If you become a supporter as a token of my gratitude, I will send monthly original vocabulary list, monthly original kanji list, and you can take the Patreon-only exclusive private lessons. Please see the description section below on my channel. Thank you so much for supporting my channel.
Hello, こんにちは。It's Sushi-chan. How are you doing? In lesson 102 and 103, we learned how to change adjectives when you want to connect several adjectives in one sentence. I hope you guys master how to change i-adjectives and na-adjectives. We have one adjective, i. Good. This is an exception from the rules for i-adjectives and na-adjectives. Today, we will learn how to connect i and other adjectives or nouns in one sentence. Are you ready? Let's get started. Please see this sentence. The weather in Tokyo is good and cool. Weather means 天気. Good means いい. Cool means 涼しい. If you want to say this sentence in Japanese, you can say 東京は天気が良くて涼しいです。東京は天気が良くて涼しいです。Did you notice that? If you want to connect i and other adjective in one sentence, you may need to change this adjective from i to よくて. Let's take a look at one more example. Yumi's hairstyle is good and cute. Hairstyle means 髪型. Cute means かわいい. If you want to say this in Japanese, you can say ユミは髪型が良くてかわいいです。ユミは髪型が良くてかわいいです。Again, you may need to change this adjective from i to よくて。Great job, everyone! Homework time! Please review lesson 102 through 104 very well. In the homework checking video, I want you guys to make several sentences. Thank you very much for watching. If you are interested in my private lessons, please check the link of my Patreon page below. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so by clicking the subscribe button. That way, you won't miss any future lessons. See you soon! Bye bye!